It's the beginning of a new electrifying journey. Tatlipinar Energy has seen powerful demand from investors. A staggering 2.3 million people applied for the company's shares.
By the early 20th century, there were 1 billion people living in the world. Today we are talking about 8 billion. And the fossil fuels, including natural gas, coal, they are limited. So renewable is no more a trend, is a necessity. So whoever invests into renewable, there are so many fields, we believe they should target growth, because electricity, once upon a time, it was only for lighting, then for heating, now for transportation. So electric cars, battery stations, these are necessities now.
Tatlipinar Energy has raised $55 million from the listing. The company will use up to 35% of the funds to invest in wind energy production. The investment will increase its capacity by 36 megawatts to nearly 150 megawatts. Another 35% will help create a 79 megawatt solar power plant. This will take the company's total installed capacity to around 228 megawatts. The remaining proceeds will be used for their debt repayments. The market screen has never been this busy. Tatlipinar Energy is the 27th company to list its shares for trading this year. With close to 60 other companies awaiting the regulators' note to go public, Borsa Istanbul could be up for a record year for new listings. The exchange is up by around 40% since the beginning of the year. The number of domestic investors hit a record high of 5.8 million. Foreign investors also extended their buying spree of Turkish equities to the longest streak in 11 years, remaining in the buyer's side for 9 straight weeks. Nearly $2 billion worth of shares have been bought by foreign investors during the period. This interest in the stock market has encouraged new companies to list their shares too.
The interest in the renewable energy sector is on the rise, and therefore the interest of green energy companies in our stock market is increasing too. Considering the investment and financing needs of the sector, with this increasing momentum, we think that more and more companies will come to our stock market.
The rising interest in the sector will also power Turkey's energy goals.
Turkey has the top radiation, very good wind. We have very good contractors. We have everything. The only thing is about the access to the financing. And today there is 1 trillion US dollar in US Green Act program, and almost 1 trillion euro in European sustainability and renewable funds. So the fund is coming.
Under its National Energy Plan for 2035, Turkey is working to boost domestic solar power capacity by 5 times and triple the total size of wind power plants. And with the help of a growing investor environment, the country's future is getting brighter by the day. Omer Bakkaloglu, TRT World.